If you are experiencing screen tearing, stuttering, or you don't see the G-Sync or FreeSync indicator working during gameplay, we've got you covered because in today's video, we will show you the most common reasons why adaptive sync isn't working and how to fix it. The first thing that you need to do is confirm your monitor if it supports G-Sync or FreeSync. Okay, so whether your monitor actually supports adaptive sync technology, because most modern gaming monitors supports either NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync, or both through the adaptive sync. So open your monitor specifications page and verify that your model supports the feature. If your monitor doesn't support G-Sync or FreeSync, the feature cannot be enabled. Now, another option that you can look into is enable the adaptive sync in monitor settings. Let me tell you this, many monitors ship with FreeSync disabled by default. You need to use the monitor's physical buttons, open the monitor's OSD menu, navigate to gaming settings, locate the FreeSync, adaptive sync, or variable refresh rate. Turn it on. Save the settings. After enabling it, restart your PC if that works. Another look that you can go into is verifying the refresh rate settings. Adaptive sync may fail if your monitor isn't running at its maximum refresh rate. Now, to check it, all I have to do is go to the settings, click the system, select display, click Advanced Display, and choose your gaming monitor. Set the highest available refresh rate. For example, 144 Hz, 165, 240, 360 depending on your monitor. And of course, one of the most important fix is updating your graphics driver. Outdated drivers frequently cause G-Sync and FreeSync issues, so you need to visit your GPU manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers. Now, for NVIDIA users, install the latest game-ready driver. For AMD users, install the latest Adrenalin edition software and perform a clean installation if available. And then, most people often overlook disabling conflicting features. Certain settings can interfere with adaptive sync. Okay, so try disabling VSync in games, third-party FPS limiters, screen recording overlays, GPU overclocking software temporarily. After disabling them, test your game again. And of course, you want to make sure to use the display port instead of HDMI. Why? One of the most common causes is using the wrong cable. For best compatibility, use a DisplayPort cable whenever possible. Ensure the cable supports your monitor's refresh rate. Avoid low quality or damaged cables. While some monitors support FreeSync through HDMI, DisplayPort generally provides the most reliable results. And remember, by following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to restore smooth, tear-free gameplay and get adaptive sync working properly again. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.